Mr. Niranjan, hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 9 in Computer Science branch in GATE 2021. Really, we are very proud of you. Can you tell about your educational background?
Yes, sir. I am a final year student studying in Pune, and my discipline is computer science itself. I am staying in Pune since my childhood, and my education would also be completed this year in Pune itself.
So you are a final year student. Very good. Cracking the GATE exam while you are studying the final year is something a relatively tough task compared to the computer students. Really, you deserve very good appreciation, Mr. Niranjan. You said you are studying BTech final year in Pune. Which college is it?
I'm studying in PICT.
Okay.
Full form is Pune Institute of Computer Technology.
Very good, very good. So, which coaching program you have taken from Yes Academy?
I had taken the online test series.
Very good. So, you are online test series student of Acing Academy.
Yes.
Mr. Niranjan, can you tell how Yes Academy test series helped you in cracking this GATE exam and getting this such a wonderful rank?
Yes, sir. The test series is pretty comprehensive and it covers the questions from all ranges. Like there are easy ones, there are moderate ones, there are hard ones, and the number of tests is also pretty good. So students can rely on the test series completely.
Okay, very good. Did you refer to any textbooks during your preparation?
Yes, I had referred to my textbooks as the subjects are same for the computer science stream itself. I had referred them during my computer science studies in my college days, so I did not have to refer them again while preparing for GATE. But in some topics wherever I lack clarity, I used to just go back to the standard textbook and refer it.
Okay. Did you make any notes also for this?
No, sir. Actually, I started pretty late, so I did not have time to make any notes. But I used to revise whatever I felt that okay, this is the concept I'm lacking some clarity. I used to either read something on Google or watch any video.
Okay. So you mean to say even for a revision purpose also you used to refer to some textbooks, etc.
Not always, rarely, because in standard textbooks, the what we can say the description or the explanation is pretty big, and we don't have much time. So almost always I used to go to Google. In one click, we can get information right away instead of searching through the books. But for my preparation, as I had studied already from the standard textbooks, it was the concepts are pretty clear in my mind.
So there was no much need for you to revise and revise the textbooks again.
Yes.
Okay.
And for computer science, there is one point that uh, theory aspect is not as much. Almost everything is conceptual. So if you know a concept, it is highly unlikely that we need to revise over and over again.
Okay. Well. Good point you have shared with us, right? Generally, the students who are studying the final year, they find somewhat difficult in preparing for the other exams. In your case, how you are able to do, how you used to make the schedule of your BTech university syllabus and the GATE syllabus preparation, how you could make it simultaneously?
In I started my preparation in September, and as the pandemic is going on, everything is online. And as I'm in my final year, I don't have much workload apart from the final year project. And even the exams got postponed. So I had lots of time to devote for GATE preparation. So I used to do like maybe a few hours in the morning and a few hours in the evening, maybe 3 to 4 hours in the morning, 2 to 3 hours in the evening, and that would be it. That would be enough.
Okay, right. Very good. One more, Mr. Niranjan. Did you follow any sequence of these subjects in your preparation, or you have made randomly as such?
I did not follow a particular sequence. What I did was I grouped the subjects in some groups.
How did you group the subjects? Can you please elaborate?
Yes, sir. First group was of data structures, algorithms, and C programming, like PDS and algorithms. That was one group.
Okay.
Second group was the system subjects, operating systems, DBMS, and computer networks. This was second group. Third group was TOCCD, as they are very much related. Fourth group was the hardware subjects group, like digital electronics and computer organization and architecture. And the fifth group was maths plus aptitude. What I used to do is, if I studied from one group in the morning, then I used to study from another group in the evening, so I don't get bored with one subject only.
So you used to have combination of the subjects in your
Yes,
preparation
yes.
to avoid the boredom.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the good strategy that we have followed. Right. How many marks you have got totally in your GATE examination for this 9th rank?
I got 77.68 marks.
77. Okay. Did you cover the entire syllabus of your computer science, or any area that you have left over?
No, sir, I finished the entire syllabus.
Entire syllabus.
Yes.
Right. Any answers went wrong in your examination?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. It happens in every case.
Yes.
No regret, because no regrets. You have got a wonderful rank, 9th. Okay. Very good, Niranjan. Can you share some strategies and tips for your juniors who want to crack the GATE exam like you, those who want to emulate you?
Sure. My first tip would be to focus more on the conceptual clarity than to go behind solving lots and lots of problems. Because once you have the conceptual clarity, you don't need to solve tens and 15s of problems of the same type. Okay. Second strategy would be to start early as possible, so that you don't get stressed out because of the pressure. And thirdly, don't get too much involved in the GATE preparation. Suppose if you're a college student, enjoy your college life. Don't be like, okay, I'll just do GATE and miss out on all the fun, because these are the days to remember in future. So try to balance everything. As in the professionals, there's work life balance, so here also try to balance, like hang out with friends, go to parties, have fun with family apart, and along with this, balance the studies. So if the students will make a clear cut plan, okay, so this I'm going to, it would help a lot. Before directly jumping into the preparation, I'd suggest to give a few time for planning out how to approach the preparation.
Yes. That is a good point that you have shared with us. One should not be confined completely with your studies only, right?
Exactly.
Instead of the pressure also, you have to enjoy the other aspects of your life, college life, you said, and then the chit chatting with your friends. All these steps will lessen your pressure in your preparation.
Yes.
You should not forego in the process of the preparation for the GATE examination. But at the same time, you have to be focused and determined to crack this examination. And that too, you have said you have some sort of a planning, like what you done. You have grouped many subjects into many groups, right? Like that, depending upon the students' interest, depending upon the students' strength and weakness, they have to evolve some strategy like what you have done, right? According to their strength and weakness.
Yes, sir.
It's very good. Niranjan, one last question to you. And with this 9th rank, which institute you are going to join?
Most probably I won't be joining this year, sir. I prefer having some work experience before going for my master's. As the GATE score is valid for 3 years, I won't be joining any institute in 2021, but I am planning to join in the next year. I haven't decided the institute yet, but I'm confused between ISC Bangalore and IIT Bombay, the standard confusion with almost every ranker has.
Yes.
So that I would think upon it in this year where to go, and that accordingly I would plan for next year.
So you are going to join some company to have some work experience.
Yes, sir.
Have you got any campus placement, if you don't mind?
Yes, I'm placed. I have been placed at a company via my campus.
So you are going to join that job for 1 year.
Yes.
Then you want to shift to the academics again, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good, Niranjan. Thanks for sharing your thoughts and your tips with the juniors of this, with the aspirants of the GATE examination. And really, congratulations once again. And we take the opportunity to wish you all good luck in all your future endeavors.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, sir.
All the best
Have a
to you.
good day.
God bless you. God bless you, Niranjan.
Thank you, sir.